Service8 ChangeGear Online Training. Service8 ChangeGear, revolutionizing IT service management. Revolutionizing IT service management with Service8 ChangeGear. Service8 ChangeGear is an innovative IT service management (ITSM) platform that redefines how organizations manage and deliver IT services. Combining advanced automation, AI-powered capabilities, and a user-friendly interface, ChangeGear empowers businesses to streamline their IT operations, enhance service delivery, and achieve higher levels of efficiency and customer satisfaction. Here's how ChangeGear is revolutionizing ITSM. 1. AI-driven ITSM. ChangeGear leverages AI to provide intelligent recommendations, automate workflows, and enhance decision-making. Key features include AI-powered virtual agents, automate repetitive tasks and enable self-service for end users, reducing ticket resolution time. Predictive analytics. Identify potential issues and proactively address them before they impact business operations. 2. Seamless change management. Managing changes effectively is critical for minimizing disruptions. ChangeGear offers automated change processes, streamlined change requests, approvals, and implementations with rule-based workflows. Impact analysis. Assess the potential impact of changes on IT systems and dependencies using real-time data. 3. Intuitive incident and problem management. Efficiently manage incidents and problems with features designed for speed and accuracy. Centralized incident tracking. Track and resolve issues from a single platform. Root cause analysis. Use AI insights to identify and address recurring problems, ensuring long-term success. 4. Robust configuration management. The Configuration Management Database (CMDB) in ChangeGear provides comprehensive asset tracking. Maintain a real-time inventory of IT assets and their interdependencies. Dynamic visualization. Visualize relationships between assets to better understand the IT environment. 5. Enhanced user experience. ChangeGear focuses on creating a user-centric platform with customizable dashboards. Tailor dashboards to meet the specific needs of IT teams and stakeholders. Mobile accessibility. Provide ITSM capabilities on the go with responsive mobile support. 6. Integrated IT governance and compliance. ChangeGear ensures alignment with industry standards and regulatory requirements. Audit trails. Maintain detailed records of changes, incidents, and problem resolutions for compliance. Policy enforcement. Automate the application of governance policies across IT operations. 7. Scalable and agile architecture. Designed to grow with your business, ChangeGear supports cloud and on-premises deployments. Choose the deployment model that best fits your organization's needs. Agile IT operations. Adapt to evolving business requirements with flexible configuration options. Streamlining change management with Service8 ChangeGear. Streamlining change management with Service8 ChangeGear involves leveraging its robust features to ensure efficient, structured, and automated processes for handling IT changes. Here's how you can achieve this. Key features and benefits. Centralized change requests. Use a unified platform to submit, track, and manage change requests. Automate workflows to ensure consistent handling of changes. Automated workflows. Implement configurable workflows for approval, prioritization, and risk assessment. Eliminate manual processes, reducing errors and delays. Risk assessment and impact analysis. Use built-in tools to evaluate the potential risks and impacts of proposed changes. Provide visibility into affected systems, teams, and services to make informed decisions. Integration with ITSM processes. Seamlessly integrate ChangeGear with incident, problem, and configuration management. Ensure changes are linked to related incidents or problems for a holistic approach. Collaboration tools. Foster collaboration among stakeholders with built-in communication and notification features. Streamline discussions and updates directly within the change request. Real-time reporting and dashboards. Gain insights with real-time analytics and dashboards for monitoring change management KPIs. Track metrics like change success rates, approval times, and backlogs. Regulatory compliance. Use audit trails and documentation features to comply with industry standards like ITIL and COBIT. Ensure every step of the change process is recorded for transparency. Steps to streamline change management. Define standardized change processes. Classify changes into categories: standard, emergency, normal. Assign appropriate workflows for each category. Automate approval chains. Set up role-based approvals and notification triggers. Minimize bottlenecks in the decision-making process. Leverage CMDB integration. Connect ChangeGear with your configuration management database, CMDB, for better impact analysis. Identify dependencies and conflicts before changes are implemented. Incident management made easy with ServiceAid ChangeGear. ServiceAid ChangeGear is a robust IT service management (ITSM) solution designed to simplify incident management. It combines automation, intuitive workflows, and powerful integration capabilities to enable organizations to handle incidents efficiently and ensure minimal service disruptions. Key features of incident management in ChangeGear. Streamlined ticketing system. ChangeGear provides a centralized and user-friendly ticketing system, allowing IT teams to log, prioritize, and track incidents efficiently. Automated workflows. Automated workflows ensure that incidents are assigned to the appropriate team or individual based on predefined criteria such as severity, urgency, or type of incident. Self-service portal. The self-service portal empowers users to report incidents, check the status of their tickets, and access knowledge base articles for quick resolutions. Integrated knowledge base. A robust knowledge base provides technicians and end users with access to relevant troubleshooting guides and solutions, reducing the time needed to resolve common issues. Real-time collaboration. Collaboration tools enable cross-team communication and knowledge sharing, ensuring complex incidents are resolved faster and more effectively. Advanced reporting and analytics. Built-in reporting tools offer insights into incident trends, team performance, and resolution times, helping identify areas for improvement. ITIL alignment. ChangeGear follows ETIL best practices, ensuring a standardized and efficient approach to incident management that aligns with organizational goals. Mobile accessibility. Mobile apps allow technicians to access incident data, update tickets, and communicate with team members on the go, ensuring continuous productivity. Integration with other ITSM processes. Incident management integrates seamlessly with problem management, change management, and asset management, providing a holistic approach to IT service delivery. Benefits of using ChangeGear for incident management. Faster resolution times, automation and efficient workflows minimize delays in addressing incidents. Improved user experience. The self-service portal and knowledge base enhance user satisfaction by providing quick and accessible solutions. Enhanced team productivity. Automation reduces manual tasks, allowing IT staff to focus on more critical issues. Data-driven decision-making. Advanced analytics help in identifying recurring issues and making informed decisions for process improvement. Scalability. ChangeGear's flexible platform adapts to the growing needs of organizations of all sizes. Best practices for incident management with ChangeGear. Define clear SLAs. Set service-level agreements to ensure incidents are addressed within acceptable timeframes. Leverage automation. Use automated workflows to eliminate bottlenecks and enhance response times. Automating workflows for efficiency in ServiceAid ChangeGear. Automating workflows in ServiceAid ChangeGear can significantly improve efficiency by streamlining repetitive tasks, reducing manual errors, and enhancing consistency. Here's a guide to implementing workflow automation in ChangeGear. 1. Understanding ChangeGear workflow automation. ServiceAid ChangeGear offers automation capabilities to manage IT service management, ITSM, processes like incident management, change management, and problem resolution. Key automation features include Workflow Designer, a visual drag-and-drop interface for creating and modifying workflows. Integration Hub allows seamless integration with third-party tools. Customizable Rules Engine automates tasks based on conditions or triggers. Pre-built templates simplify the setup process for common ITSM scenarios. 2 common use cases for workflow automation. Incident management. Automatic ticket assignment based on the category or priority. Sending notifications to stakeholders when incidents are updated or resolved. Change management. Automating approval workflows for standard changes. Enforcing rollback plans and risk assessments. Problem management. Linking recurring incidents to a problem record. Automating root cause analysis steps and notification updates. 3 steps to automate workflows in ChangeGear. A. Identify processes to automate. Analyze which workflows consume the most time or are prone to errors. Prioritize tasks with clear, repetitive steps, such as ticket escalation. B. Use the Workflow Designer. Access the ChangeGear Workflow Designer from the admin portal. Define the start condition, example, a ticket creation or status change. Drag and drop elements like approvals, decision trees, and actions into the workflow. C. Set triggers and conditions. Use the Rules Engine to set triggers, such as high priority incidents automatically escalating to a manager, approval requests sent to stakeholders based on role, automate notifications and reporting, configure email SMS notifications for critical updates or SLA breaches. Service-8 Change Gear for enhanced IT governance and compliance. Service-8 Change Gear is a comprehensive IT service management (ITSM) platform designed to streamline processes like incident management, change management, and service requests. Its capabilities can significantly enhance IT governance and compliance by providing structured workflows, robust tracking mechanisms, and advanced reporting features. Here's how ChangeGear supports IT governance and compliance. 1. Policy enforcement and standardization. Customizable workflows. ChangeGear enables organizations to design workflows aligned with internal policies and external regulatory requirements. Approval mechanisms. Multi-level approvals ensure that all changes and processes meet compliance criteria before implementation. 2. Risk mitigation. Automated risk assessments. Built-in risk assessment tools evaluate the potential impact of changes, helping to prevent disruptions. Audit trails. Comprehensive logging of all actions provides transparency and accountability. 3. Enhanced reporting and documentation. Compliance reports generate reports for frameworks like ITIL, ISO 27001, HIPAA, and GDPR, demonstrating adherence to regulations. Dashboards. Real-time monitoring of compliance metrics through intuitive dashboards. 4. Change management for regulatory alignment. Change request templates. Predefined templates ensure consistent data capture, reducing errors in compliance-sensitive processes. Impact analysis. Built-in analysis tools help assess how changes might affect compliance and governance standards. 5. Incident and problem management. Root cause analysis. Quickly identify the source of recurring issues to maintain service quality and compliance. Knowledge base integration. Store and retrieve compliance documentation and solutions for faster resolution. 6. IT governance. Role-based access control. RBAC restrict access to sensitive information and processes to authorized personnel only. Configuration Management Database. CMDB maintain an up-to-date repository of IT assets and their relationships, ensuring informed decision-making. 7. Continuous improvement. Feedback loops. Gather feedback from audits and compliance reviews to improve processes. AI and automation. Use AI-driven insights to detect anomalies and suggest optimizations for compliance processes. Self-service portal. Empower users with Service-8 Change Gear. Service-8 Change Gear is a comprehensive IT service management (ITSM) solution designed to streamline IT operations. One of its standout features is the self-service portal, which empowers users and enhances efficiency by providing easy access to IT services and support. Here's an overview of how the self-service portal benefits organizations and users. Key features of the self-service portal. User-friendly interface. Intuitive and easy-to-navigate design for non-technical users. Customizable layouts to reflect organizational branding. Knowledge base integration. Access to a robust knowledge base for troubleshooting common issues. Self-help resources reduce reliance on IT support staff. Ticket management. Users can submit, track, and manage their service requests directly. Updates and resolutions are communicated via the portal in real time. Service Catalog allows users to request predefined services, such as software installations or hardware upgrades. Automates approval workflows, ensuring faster processing. Personalized experience. Personalized dashboards based on user roles and permissions. AI-driven suggestions for related issues or services. Mobile access. Responsive design ensures accessibility from desktops, tablets, and smartphones. On-the-go access to IT support enhances user convenience. Integration capabilities. Connects with other ITSM tools and enterprise systems for seamless operations. Can integrate with chatbots for real-time assistance. Empowering users. 24/7 availability. Users can resolve issues or request services at any time, improving productivity. Reduced downtime, faster resolutions through self-service options and real-time updates. Autonomy encourages users to take charge of their IT needs without always relying on the help desk. Benefits for IT teams. Reduced workload, automation and self-service reduce the number of repetitive support tickets. Improved efficiency, focus on resolving more complex issues while routine tasks are handled via the portal. Enhanced reporting, insights into user behavior and common issues help in continuous improvement. Analytics and insights, data-driven decisions with ServiceAid ChangeGear. ServiceAid ChangeGear is a comprehensive IT service management (ITSM) platform that provides robust analytics and insights to help organizations make data-driven decisions. Here's how ChangeGear supports analytics and insights for effective decision-making. 1. Incident and Change Management Analytics. Incident trends. Analyze incident data to identify recurring issues, reduce resolution time, and improve customer satisfaction. Change Impact Analysis. Assess the success and failure rates of changes to refine processes and minimize disruptions. 2. Performance Metrics and Dashboards. Real-time dashboards visualize key performance indicators, KPIs, such as SLA adherence, ticket resolution time, and system uptime. Customizable reports tailor reports to focus on metrics that matter most to your organization, such as team performance or resource utilization. 3. Predictive Insights. AI and machine learning leverage predictive analytics to anticipate potential service disruptions and optimize resource allocation. Trend analysis. Use historical data to forecast workload spikes and plan accordingly. 4. Root cause analysis. Problem identification. Drill down into data to uncover the root causes of recurring issues. Automated insights. Utilize ChangeGear's analytics to identify patterns and correlations in incident and change data. 5. Stakeholder reporting. Executive summaries provide leadership with high-level insights for strategic planning. Operational reports deliver detailed reports for IT teams to monitor day-to-day activities. 6. Decision support tools. Scenario modeling. Simulate the impact of proposed changes to evaluate risks and benefits. Data-driven recommendations get actionable insights to improve IT service delivery and align IT objectives with business goals. 7. Compliance and audit insights. Compliance tracking, monitor adherence to regulatory requirements and internal policies. Audit trails, maintain detailed records of all changes and incidents for accountability and compliance. Why choose ProExcellency for ServiceAid ChangeGear online training? Choosing ProExcellency for ServiceAid ChangeGear online training can be beneficial due to several reasons. 1. Expert-led training. ProExcellency employs experienced trainers with in-depth knowledge of ServiceAid ChangeGear. Trainers provide practical insights into IT service management, ITSM, and ChangeGear modules. 2. Comprehensive course content. The training covers all core features of ServiceAid ChangeGear, including incident management, problem management, change management, workflow customization, reporting and analytics. Includes real-world scenarios and case studies to strengthen practical understanding. 3. Flexible learning options. Offers self-paced and live online training to fit into learners' schedules. Recordings are often available for revision purposes. 4. Hands-on practice. Provides access to virtual environments for practice on ServiceAid ChangeGear. Hands-on exercises enable learners to gain confidence in using the platform. 5. Certifications and career support. Completion certificates are often provided, which can boost resumes. Career guidance is offered for leveraging ChangeGear skills in the ITSM domain. 6. Affordable pricing. ProExcellency typically offers competitive pricing for their courses, with occasional discounts. 7. Community and support. 24/7 support for addressing queries during the training period. Networking opportunities with other professionals in the domain. Thank you.